Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we had a big push up on Friday, right at a Fibonacci level. Nice engulfing move to the upside. The fact that the weekly time frame is definitely still in an uptrend, and the daily time frame made an engulfing move up to the upside tells us that the trend is definitely up on these time frames. And looking at the dollar index, there's a possibility that this just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. Like I was saying in my full top down video yesterday, it is also a possibility that this is just a pullback and that it respects the 78%, it goes down. So how are we going to know the difference? We go down to like the 1 hour to 4 hour time frame. We definitely did have a break to the downside. As you'll notice, this is a trend right here. It's all a little higher highs, higher lows, and we definitely had a breakdown. So we know that this wave right here is complete. Now, if it makes a crescent to that wave, like a nice ABC shape like this, and then turns back up at a percentage of this wave, we'll know that it's continuing the uptrend and that we definitely want to continue to look for longs. But at the same time, if it does something like this and then goes down and just keeps going down, then we'll know that this right here is not the continuation of the uptrend. So if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, you're probably looking for shorts technically because we do have the end of a trend on the 1 hour. And hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time whether we're looking at a pullback to this big wave up or whether this is actually going to start making lower lows, lower highs, and a complete trend reversal. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.